Hello everyone. We're going to discuss 6 stocks today that have a great forward PE ratio and have a ton of upside over the next 12 months if the market stays bullish. And on down days like today is a great time to invest in companies that have moats. We're going to jump right into the video. Always remember business quality first, expectations second, position sizing last. Basically, you always want to remember to buy companies that have moats and great CEOs. It's all about looking at stocks over the long term. Forward PE is not about value, it's about expectations. So anytime someone talks to you about a forward PE, they're talking about future projections. A high forward PE means the market expects a lot to go right. A lower forward PE means expectations are more restrained. Neither guarantees success or failure. So for every company, ask 4 questions. Is the business durable? Are future earnings plausible? Does valuation amplify mistakes? Can position sizing protect me if I'm wrong? With that in mind, let's go company by company. First company we're talking about today, Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. Starbucks currently has a forward PE of 48.16. That number tells something very important. The market is not trending Starbucks. It's basically a company that has continued to do well over time. This isn't hype. This is because of its brand, its global scale, and it's continued to do exceptionally well. The stocks continues to climb higher just because it has a great CEO. And the stock price is now reflecting the changes being made. You always got to remember that Starbucks is a stock that you can trade the range, and it also pays a dividend. So if you're looking for a great long-term investment, Starbucks is a great way to diversify your portfolio. The second company, Intel. Its CEO, Lip Bu Tan, is one of the best CEOs that you can possibly have running a company, and he's been there around a year, and it's already we're already seeing major changes with Intel. The stock price has continued to climb higher, and we expect Intel to continue to do well. Intel's before Lip Bu Tan got there was a lot of trouble with Intel, and the stock price suffered. And he's really made a major turnaround. This company just barely missed its earnings. Yesterday, its EPS just missed, but was just under expectations. So the stock did drop at earnings, but there's a lot of hope that this company is going to make a nice turnaround. So this stock right here is continued to do well just because his business with Donald Trump. So if you're looking for something that still has room to climb higher, just always remember the trend is your friend. The next company, Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. Robinhood currently has a forward PE of 37.55. The number tells you that the market expects continued retail participation and stable engagement. So we're expecting Robinhood to continue to do well. And, today it's actually down again. Has earnings on the 10th of February, so that's a really big day. And if Robinhood continues to expand its business like it has, we're expecting Robinhood to continue to climb higher over the next few years. So if you really are looking to find a company that it's really taken off over the last few years, Robinhood was really undervalued when it was at $18 a share, and investors recognize this, and now that the stock's trading at around $80, there's still plenty of room for Robinhood to continue to climb higher. And again, we're seeing the same trend here. Robinhood has an amazing CEO, and that's a common thing you'll see with stocks that do exceptionally well. They have moats, they have a great CEO, and over time, that's a recipe for long-term success. Next company, Tesla. As everyone knows, it's ran by Elon Musk, and Elon Musk, is the richest man in the world for a very good reason, because he's an excellent businessman. And Tesla is all about innovation. Tesla's 4P just got lowered to 306, so they're finally making the necessary adjustments, and this is probably a great time to buy the dip with Tesla if you want to be a long-term investor. Tesla continues to do well over the course of 5 or 10 years. We're expecting Tesla to continue to climb higher. It's always on the cutting edge of technology. And Tesla's not cheap at $400 a share. It's just a great long-term value. Next, we're going to go and talk about Palantir Technology, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir just had earnings and had an amazing earnings report. I made 7%. I happen to take profits on Palantir, but today it's actually back down. And always buying the dip with Palantir. It's an amazing company. Alex Karp is the CEO of Palantir Technology, and with Palantir finally getting its 4P down to 114.90, we're expecting Palantir to continue to do exceptionally well through 2026. A few reasons, Palantir has strong revenue growth and continued margin expansion. and with its sustained government and enterprise adoption is another big plus. And next we're going to discuss NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Jensen Huang is the CEO, and NVIDIA is the greatest company in the world for a good reason, because you have Jensen Huang running it, and it's moat. You know, it's by far and away been the best performing stock in the past decade. You know, its current forward PE is 38.03, and this company is actually down today at 171 a share. Great long-term investment. You know, just like Tesla, both of these companies, NVIDIA and Tesla, both are companies to invest in long-term. Their moats are really second to none, and we expect NVIDIA to continue to do exceptionally well. You know, they're still doing a lot of business in China, and it's really making a difference with the stock price. You know, there's always new data centers that NVIDIA is working on, and they're continuing to do exceptionally well. So NVIDIA having earnings on February 25th. There's a lot of high expectations with NVIDIA, as always, but you know, if NVIDIA does well, it'll be the catalyst the market needs to climb higher. So all eyes are going to be on NVIDIA earnings. If this video has helped, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll make another video next week. So be sure to come back and check out our latest videos. Hope everyone has an amazing week.